Good morning, ma. In today's class, we will see how to do problems in structure of atom. Okay, we will start with doing the problems in exercise CBSE. So I am going to keep the heading problems in structure of atom. We are going to do exercise problems. Let us see first one, 2.1. How to do this 2.1? Let us see, ma. This is the question. Calculate the number of electrons. Sorry, in 2.1 we have two subdivisions, small 1 and small 2. So let us start with small 1. First see the question carefully. Calculate the number of electrons which will together weigh 1 gram. Meaning of this question is, how many electrons will make 1 gram of weight? Or in 1 gram, how many electrons will be present? That is the explanation. Once again, calculate the number of electrons which will together weigh 1 gram. Means, in 1 gram of mass, how many electrons will be there? Now, how we are going to do this problem? Given weight is equal to 1 gram. Number of electrons equal to question mark. Okay, ma? Now, I am going to teach how we are going to do this problem. We know already weight of 1 electron. Weight of 1 electron is equal to 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams. As the given weight is in grams, ma, I am going to consider weight of 1 electron also in grams only. Weight of 1 electron is equal to 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams. 1 electron is present in 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams. Then 1 gram weight contains how many electrons? In this way we have to do the problem. Question mark is here. When question mark is here, these two must be multiplied. When question mark is here, these two must be multiplied. Then 1 into 1 divided by this value. These two must be multiplied divided by this value. Divided by 9.11 into 10 power minus 28. One into 1 divided by 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 is equal to 10 power minus 28 in denominator. If it comes to numerator, we will write it as 10 power 28. Remained with 1 by 9.11. Okay, ma'am. 1 by 9.11 value, I will check that one and I will say 1 divided by 9.11. 0.1097 into 10 power 28. What is the value, ma'am? 0.1097 into 10 power 28. is equal to, this one we can write it as 1.097 into 10 power 27 electrons. So in 1 gram of mass, these many electrons are there. Or we can say mass of 1097 into 10 power 27 electrons is equal to 1 gram. This first sub question is completed now. Note down carefully. I hope you are clear. Next, second sub question. First see the question now. Calculate the mass and charge of 1 mole of electrons. Second one, calculate the mass and charge of 1 mole of electrons. Mass of 1 mole of electrons, charge of 1 mole of electrons, we have to find. How we are going to find this charge and mass of 1 mole of electrons? Seema, all of you. One electron mass is equal to 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams. One electron mass is this much. Then 1 mole of electrons mass is how much? One mole of electrons means 6.023 into 10 power 23 electrons. Mass is equal to how much? In first chapter we have seen mole concept. I hope you are clear. That mole concept, mole is nothing but 6.023 10 power 23. That is also called Avogadro number. So they asked 1 mole of electrons, 6.023 10 power 23 electrons, mass is how much? Already we know that 1 electron mass is equal to 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams. Now, how to do this one? Question mark is here. We have to cross multiply these two. Divided by 1. So, is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 divided by 1. Where question mark is present, oppositely cross we have to multiply. Previously question mark is here, these two we multiplied, 1 and 1. Now question mark is here, so these two I am multiplying, divided by 1 is equal to 6.023 into 9.11 into 10 power 23 into 10 power minus 28, 10 power minus 5. 23 minus 28. 23 minus 28 minus 5. 10 power minus 5. Now 6.023 into 9.11 value. 6.023 into 9.11, 54.86 into 10 power minus 5 grams. Why I am writing here grams? Here already 1 electron mass I took in grams, 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams. So answer also we will get in grams only. 54.86 into 10 power minus 5 grams. This can be written as 5.486 into 10 power minus 6 grams. This is second answer. 5.486 into 10 power minus 6 grams. This is first answer. 1.097. In second question, only we found mass of 1 mole of electrons only. Now we want to find charge of 1 mole of electrons. Till this we found mass of 1 mole of electrons only. Now we will see in second question only, continuation, charge of 1 mole of electrons. How we are going to find the charge of 1 mole of electrons? First, 1 electron charge. As the question is related to charge, I took 1 electron charge, 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. 1 electron charge is how much? 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Then they asked 1 mole of electrons. Directly I am taking here 1 mole of electrons, 6.023 into 10 power 23 electrons. Charge is how much? 1 electron charge is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. 6.023 into 10 power 23 electrons charge is how much? Here it is question mark. Here now question mark is here. These two must be multiplied, divided by 1. So is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 divided by 1. 10 power 23, 10 power minus 19. It will become 10 power 4. Ten power 23, 10 power minus 19, it will become 10 power 4. Then these two values must be multiplied. 6.023 into 1.602 into 10 power 4. Let us see that 6.023 into 1.602. 6.023 into 1.602. 9.648 is equal to 9.6488 into 10 power 4. Correctly 4 digits are there, into 10 power 4 is there. If you multiply 96488 coulombs. Why did I write here coulombs? Units are very important, all of you. Remember carefully. Here I took 1 electron charge in coulombs na. So the answer also will be in coulombs only. Answer is 96,488 coulombs. This is also called as 1 Faraday. This is also called as 1 Faraday. Charge of 1 mole of electrons. Charge of 1 mole of electrons. We got 96,488 coulombs, which is equal to 1 Faraday. In next year, you have electrochemistry chapter. In that, we will use this one. 96,488, we will write approximately as 96,500 coulombs. 96,500 coulombs is equal to 1 Faraday. In this way, we have to do the problem. So this is 2.1 first sub question mark. This is second sub question fully. Okay, shall I go to next problem? That is (2.2). First see the question 2.2. In 2.2 we have 3 sub questions. So let us keep first one. Calculate the total number of electrons present in 1 mole of methane. Calculate the total number of electrons present in 1 mole of methane. That is first question. We will see first question. Now what we have to do? Total number of electrons in 1 mole of methane we have to calculate. That is our question. Correct? Now let us see. I am taking 1 molecule of methane. For understanding this type of questions, you have to be very clear about mole concept. 11th class first chapter we have seen mole concept. That mole concept we have to be very clear to understand this type of questions. Let us see. 1 molecule of methane is equal to 1 CH4 molecule. Formula of methane is CH4. 1 CH4 molecule. 1 CH4 molecule has 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. 1 CH4 molecule has 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. 1 carbon has 6 electrons. 1 hydrogen has 1 electron. Here how many hydrogens we have? 4 hydrogens we have. 4 hydrogen atoms have 4 electrons. Totally 10 electrons. Totally 10 electrons are present in 1 CH4 molecule. See, 1 CH4 molecule has 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. Totally 10 electrons are present. So final conclusion I am writing. 1 CH4 molecule has 10 electrons. 1 CH4 molecule has 10 electrons. Correct? But the question is total number of electrons in 1 mole of methane. Total number of electrons in 1 mole of methane. 1 mole of methane means how many molecules? 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules. So I am writing here 6.023 into 10 power 23 CH4 molecules have how many electrons? 1 CH4 molecule has 10 electrons. 6.023 in 10 power 23 CH4 molecules have how many electrons? Question mark is here. These two must be multiplied, divided by 1. So this is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 10 divided by 1. See, these two cross multiplied, divided by 1. This is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 10 is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 24 electrons. Number of electrons present in 1 mole of total number of electrons present in 1 mole of methane is 6.023 into 10 power 24 electrons. 6.023 into 10 power 24 electrons. In this way we have to do this problem. They gave for 1 mole of methane. First we have to find for 1 molecule of methane. How did I find the 1 molecule of methane? 1 CH4 molecule has 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. 1 carbon has 6 electrons. 4 hydrogen atoms have 4 electrons because each hydrogen has 1 electron. So 4 hydrogen atoms have 4 electrons, total 10 electrons. 1 CH4 molecule has 10 electrons. Then they asked for 1 mole of methane. 1 mole of methane is nothing but 6.023 in 10 power 23 6 CH4 molecules have how many electrons? This is the answer. How to do this calculation? Question mark is here. These two must be cross multiplied, divided by 1. 6.023 in 10 power 23 into 10. 6.023 in 10 power 24 electrons. Okay, ma? In this way, we are going to find next coming problems also. Okay. We have seen how to do the problem 2.2 1 mark. Now we will continue with 2.2 second problem. In second problem again A and B like that they gave. Small a, small b they gave. Okay ma? See 2.2 second one, small a. Find the total number and B the total mass of neutrons in 7 milligrams of 14 carbon. In 7 milligrams of 14 carbon, we want to find how many neutrons are there and what is the mass of those neutrons. That one we want to find. Okay, let us see. Write the name. Write the question mark. 7 milligrams of C14 has how many neutrons and what is the mass of them? Once again, see the question. That means A and B both. Second question fully this one only. Find the total number and the total mass of neutrons in 7 milligrams of 14 carbon. Assume that the mass of a neutron is 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. 1.675 into mass of neutron is equal to 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. Okay, that is the given data. Now we want to find how many neutrons are there in 7 milligrams of 14 carbon. What is the mass of them? First, I am going to do number of neutrons. Observe carefully. One C14 atom. C14 means it is the isotope of carbon. Carbon has 3 isotopes. Those 3 are C12, C13, C14. They gave here C14 atom. Okay. One C14 atom has 14 AMU mass and 7 neutrons. Sorry, 7 not 8 because here atomic number of carbon is 6. 14 minus 6, 8 neutrons. Okay, once again I am going to explain this sentence. 6C14 atom has 14 AMU mass and 8 neutrons. 14 AMU mass and 8 neutrons. First question, it is our question related to number of neutrons. So I am going to consider this one. Okay. One C14 atom has 8 neutrons. One C14 atom has 8 neutrons. Meaning of that one, 14 AMU has 14 AMU of C14 has 8 neutrons. 14 AMU of C14 has 8 neutrons. What is meant by 14 AMU? 14 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms of C14 has 8 neutrons. Okay ma, once again 1 AMU is equal to 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms, but 14 AMU is there na. 14 AMU means 14 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms of C14 has 8 neutrons, but the given question is 7 milligrams. What is that ma? 7 milligrams. 7 milligrams. Milligrams we need to convert into kilograms here, because the question is the given one is in kilograms. So we need to convert this milligrams into kilograms. Okay ma? Now see, 1 milligram is equal to 10 power minus 6 kilograms. 1 milligram is equal to 10 power minus 6 kilograms. 7 milligrams equal to 7 into 10 power minus 6 kilograms. This is 7 milligrams. If you are going to find for 7 milligrams, that is nothing but 7 into 10 power minus 6 kilograms only. Both are same. Okay, so here I am going to take 7 into 10 power minus 6 kilograms of C14 has how many neutrons? I kept the question mark. (14 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms of C14 has 8 neutrons. 7 into 10 power minus 6 kilograms of C14 has how many neutrons? Question mark is here. These two must be cross multiplied, divided by this one. So it will become 7 into 10 power minus 6 into 8 divided by 14 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 27, that is it clear ma? 7 into 7 into 10 power minus 6 into 8 divided by 14 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 27. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are. So 4 divided by 1.67 into 10 power minus 6 into 10 power 27. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 4 divided by 1.67 into 10 power minus 6 into 10 power 27. We will do continuation this one here. I am continuing this one here ma. Okay, see. 4 divided by 1.67 into 10 power 27 minus 6. 27 minus 6, 10 power 19. 4 divided by 1.67, how much we will see? 4 divided by 1.67 is equal to 2.395. 2.395 into 10 power 19 electrons. Sorry, neutrons ma. We need to find neutrons na. 2.395 into 10 power 19 neutrons are present in 7 milligrams of C14. That is the answer. Once check this one carefully. one small mistake ma, sorry. 27 minus 6 21. 27 minus 6 21 ma, sorry for this one. So answer is approximately 2.39 means 2.4 we can write into 10 power 21 neutrons. Once again sorry for that one. 27 minus 6, I thought 25 minus 6 like that, and I wrote 10 power 19 ma. 27 minus 6, it is 21 only. Answer is finally 2.4 into 10 power 21 neutrons. Okay, final one sentence, observe here. 7 milligrams of C14 has 2.4 into 10 power 21 neutrons. 7 milligrams of C14 has 2.4 into 10 power 21 neutrons. Our next question is, has how many neutrons we found? Now we want to find what is the mass of them. These many neutrons mass is how much? These many neutrons mass is how much? Because these many neutrons are present in 7 milligrams of C14 only. Na? What is the mass of them? Now we want to find. Is it okay, ma? See, they only gave in question mass of one neutron. One neutron mass is equal to 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. This is one neutron mass. Then how many neutrons are present in 7 milligrams of carbon 14? 2.4 into 10 power 21 neutrons. 2.4 into 10 power 21 neutrons are present in that one. So one neutron mass is this much, 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. Then 2.4 into 10 power 21 neutrons mass is equal to question mark. 2.4 into 10 power 21 neutrons mass is equal to question mark. Question mark is here. These two must be cross multiplied divided by 1. Then it will be is equal to 2.4 into 10 power 21 into 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. Because here we wrote in kilograms, na? Answer also will be in kilograms only. Now 10 power 21 into 10 power minus 27. 10 power 21 into 10 power minus 27. 2.4 into 1.675. 10 power 21 into 10 power minus 27 is equal to 10 power minus 6 ma. Minus 6. 27 minus 1, 26. Sorry, 6. 2.4 into 1.675. Let us see 2.4 into 1.675. 4.02. 4.02 into 10 power minus 6 kilograms. 4.02 into 10 power minus 6. These two, if you multiply, you will get 4.02. This is 10 power minus 6 kilograms. So, finally, answer for this second one is this one. Mass of 2.4 into 10 power 21 neutrons, which are present in 7 milligrams of C14, is equal to 4.02 into 10 power minus 6 kilograms. Okay, we will see next subdivision, that is third one. Let us see the question now. find A, the total number and the total mass of protons in 34 milligrams of NH3 at STP. Will the answer change if the temperature and pressure are changed? This one we will see after completion of the calculation. First we want to find the total number and the total mass of protons in 34 milligrams of NH3. Previously we found number of neutrons and mass of neutrons. Like that here we are going to find number of protons and total mass of protons in 34 milligrams of ammonia. Let us consider one ammonia molecule. One ammonia molecule has nitrogen 7 protons, 3 hydrogens 3 protons, totally 10 protons are there. In one ammonia molecule, how many protons are there? 10 protons. Next, one ammonia molecule, NH3, mass or weight, both are same only, 17 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. One ammonia molecule weight is 17 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. One ammonia molecule has 10 protons. See, both are present in one ammonia molecule only. Correct? Then 17 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams of ammonia has 10 protons. I think you understood this line. One ammonia molecule has 10 protons. One ammonia molecule weight is 17 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This one already we discussed in mole concept. You have to remember that one. Okay. One ammonia molecule weight is 17 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Both the terms are related to one ammonia molecule only. So I am going to write 17 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams of ammonia has 10 protons. I think you understood. Okay, now they gave 34 milligrams of ammonia. 34 milligrams is equal to 34 into 10 power minus 3 grams. This one I took in grams, so here also I am taking in grams. Previously we have taken in kilograms, so we have taken 10 power minus 6, but here this is grams only. So 34 into 10 power minus 3 grams, 34 milligrams. In this, how many protons are there? We want to find. So 34 into 10 power minus 3 grams of NH3 has how many protons? That is the question mark. Question mark is here. Okay. Now, when question mark is here, these two must be multiplied, divided by this one. So 34 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 divided by 17 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. 17 ones, 17 twos. 2 tens are 20. 20 divided by 1.67 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power 24. This 10 power minus 24, if it comes to numerator, it will become 10 power 24. 10 power 24 into 10 power minus 3, 10 power 21. 20 divided by 1.67. 20 divided by 1.67. That is 11.97. 20 divided by 1.67, that is equal to 11.97 into 10 power 21 protons are present in 34 into 10 power minus 3 grams of, that is nothing but 34 milligrams of ammonia. This is the answer. 11.97 into 10 power 21. Observe this carefully. (11.97) we can write it as approximately 12 11.97, it is approximately 12. 12 into 10 power 21. We can write this one as 1.2 into 10 power 22 protons. Even you can stop up to here also, not a problem. You can stop up to here. 11.97 into 10 power 21 also you can stop, no problem at all. Approximately I took it as 12 11.97 as 12. Then it will become 1.2 into 10 power 22 protons. This is one ammonia molecule, 34 milligrams of ammonia has how many protons? This is answer. Next we want to find number and total mass of protons. These many protons mass is how much? That one also we want to find. 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Just 1 second 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. It is the mass of one proton. One proton mass is 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Then how many protons are there? 1.2 into 10 power 22 protons mass is how much? Now question mark is here These two must be multiplied. See, according to question mark, the terms which are going to be multiplied will be changed. Here question mark is there, these two must be multiplied divided by this one. Then this question mark is here is equal to 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 into 1.2 into 10 power 22 divided by 1 is equal to 1.67 into 1.2, this is 1.2 into 10 power minus 24, 10 power 22, it is 10 power minus 2. (1.67) into 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 grams. This is equal to, what is the calculation of this one? 1.67 into 1.2, 2.004 into 10 power minus 2 grams. (2.004 into 10 power minus 2 grams. If you want to convert into kilograms, 2.004 into 10 power minus 5 kilograms, because 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kilograms. This is the answer for mass of these many protons, and this is the answer how many protons are present. So final conclusion is 34 milligrams of ammonia. 34 milligrams of ammonia has 1.2 into 10 power 22 protons, and their mass is 2.004 into 10 power minus 2 grams. In this way we have to do the problem. So in today's class we have seen 2.1 and 2.2 two problems we have seen 2.1 and 2.2. They have subdivisions again, that's why it will take some time, no problem. But whether you are understanding or not, observe carefully. If you have any doubts, try to do them next problems also. In those, if you have any doubts, for next session I will go through some more problems. At that time you can clarify. Okay ma? That is about today's problems. I hope you understood. Thank you all. Have a nice day.